Guys, we are walking here at this Hong Kong Marina Yacht Club. Here are all the boats here. Ganda guys. Dito to sa Sai Kung, Hong Kong Marina Yacht Club. Naglalakad lang kami guys. Tingin kami dito. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan kami, Diyos ko. May hinahanap kami, naligaw yata kami guys. Eh.
Oh, I saw a bus.
Is this the bus?
I saw it. I saw Ethan. Hi guys.
Yeah, the bus is here. Yeah, we are at the Marina
I told you
Hong
that.
Kong Yacht Club. Wait.
Let me go there.
Yeah, wait. We need to ask.
Hey, Ethan.
Is it? We are looking for the toilet actually.
Walang toilet.
Yeah, we cannot find the toilet. Yeah. Yeah, we go back to the car to get our things first. Guys, dumating na hinintay namin. We go back there. Lalakad-lakad muna kami guys. Dito kami sa Sai Kung. Ayan yung bus. Student bus. May excursion kami rito sa Sai Kung guys. Kaya andito kami ngayon. Lalakad-lakad. Ayan, ganda rito guys. Ayan o. Ayan yung dagat. Ito yung tambakan ng ng mga yacht. Mga boat.
There's a dog. Be careful.
There's a dog. I need to hold me. Ayan. Cheers. I need to hold you. Fall down into the drain. Ayan, ganda ng halaman guys. Low tide ngayon guys.
It's not
Tingnan.
great. It's
Low tide
drown.
siya. Tingnan nyo yung dagat. Tubig. Masyado siya dry. Ayan o. Kita nyo yan. Very low tide siya. Ayan guys. Ayan, maraming isda. Small pond. Ayan, dami guys. Yung isda. Tingnan nyo.
You've dropped your phone.
I know. Ayan, yung mga bahay dito, ano lang. Hindi kataasan. Ganun lang siya kataas. Ayan guys. Thank you guys. Punta kami sa sakyan namin. Kunin namin yung gamit namin. Ayan. Hong Kong Marina Club. Thank you guys.